Hi, everybody. Welcome to my video. I'm Tracie Mahan, and this is going to be a channel segment with Arcturian, Daniel, and friends. Um, just want to remind everybody, Egypt in January, Iceland in June. Go check it out. The links are down below. We just posted recently a video Laura and I did of the previous Egypt trip with some of the participants from that, and they're just sharing their experience. If you're curious about it, go check that out. That's on my YouTube page. And then let's get started and find out what Daniel has to say for our collective and what we're going through at this time. As we scan and look at all of you, we are always so excited to be here with you. We are always here enjoying this time with you, remembering how important it is to be in this time frame, to enjoy the time that you have, to live lives that you can think back on and be excited about. And as we are here gathering in this collective, as we are here moving together in this unity of souls, finding home again, as one might say, as you are seeking your tribe or you are seeking your like-minded friends and soulmates. What a curious time it is. The knowledge that one has in this particular part of time is extraordinary. The access that you are learning you have is once again extraordinary. And as you each take the time to tune into programs like this, to navigate through meditations and journeys and work on who you are, where you come from, and the dynamic and most wonderful being that you are. As you discover, as you grow, as you continue to evolve, you are moving energy rapidly in this world. The effects that you have on the planet just by your journey alone. And we're not asking you to reach out or stand on stage or become a public figure in any way. We are talking just about you and your personal journey. The ripple effect of your kindness, your love, your compassion, your curiosity, that alone impacts this planet in the greatest of ways. And as you are all embarking on new things and changes going on, as you are feeling and seeing the world shift in its own way, we want to remind you that everything is in perfect alignment for ascension. Whatever is happening, and for those of you who are in the elections right now, whoever holds office, it is coming to you in the highest and best good for the highest outcome for ascension. And so please find peace in your hearts, whichever way it goes. Find peace in your heart and know and trust that this is the way for ascension, for evolving, for becoming the versions of yourselves that you have been calling in and asking for, moving into 5D Earth. And we remind you that sometimes the road for 5D is the collapse of 3D. And so keep it strong in your hearts, high in your vibrations. We remind you again to pray for the leaders, that you keep it in your heart, your highest heart, that whoever is leading in your countries, that they have the people in the highest regard. They are working for humanity, that they are making the changes that will change this world into the 5D Earth, We know that it is a difficult time for many of you as you go through these changes, that there is a lot of fear sometimes in these moments, in these elections, these changes of hand, these new beginnings, if you will. But everything is always changing. And your experience will depend on your belief systems. What do you believe? What are you creating in your reality? What do you want to create? How can you shift your belief system to help you create the reality of your choice? And as you are experiencing this world, remember you are on a journey with that. Observe what is going on around you. Be engaged in that. Do your best to understand it. Find your place in it. What role are you playing in it? If you don't like it, how can you change it? Could be as simple as changing the way you're looking at it. Get a new perspective. Get a bigger picture. And as you are moving through this planetary system on this ride in the third dimension, in this human form, where you can touch, see, hear, smell, taste, experience emotions across the board, love across the board, we ask you to have fun in life. Are you enjoying your life? Where are you enjoying your life? What could you be doing more of to bring joy, happiness, playfulness? Be the manifester. Be the love you desire. Be the person you want others to be for you. Create and enjoy and be in the thrill of this multidimensional version of yourself that you are. And we encourage you all to keep love in your hearts over these next few months and even years. Do your best to find the love. Do your best to be in the heart chakra. Respond in love. Enter life in love. Fall in love with self and your journey and the people around you and their journey. And remember that you are dearly loved. You are supported. Call on that support daily. You have beautiful, benevolent beings, all known and unknown to you. They will be there for you. You call on them. Have fun with them. They're like your, what do they call that? Entourage. They're your entourage. And they want to do things for you. So ask them and they will help. And bring that into a beautiful space of playfulness, of manifestation, of creation, and start creating your reality. Start creating it for yourself. And it will, as we said in the beginning, affect this planet in the most beautiful ways. Just by you finding your bliss and joy, falling in love with your life, healing yourself, finding and releasing fear, and know that you will always be taken care of. You are always loved, and everything is in divine order. And with that, dear ones, we will bring you back Tracie, and we will let her finish up with you. Thank you so very much for being a part of our journey today. And thank you for letting us be a part of yours. Okay, you guys, so true. We gotta remember that we are looking at a bigger picture here, and that we want to call in beautiful things in the bigger picture of what's going on, and trust that things that are going on in our world right now are here to expose things, bring disclosure, show us where we have belief systems that we could change and that would make our lives easier and better. There's just so much out there. We could talk about it all day. But most important, what's going to make you happy? Where are you going to be in joy in your life? And you cannot put that on other people, right? You can't put that on other situations. Just you right now. Where's your joy? What can you do to bring joy into your reality and create your reality? All right. Everybody's got that homework out there. Love you guys. If you're new to my page, please click the subscribe button and the little bell so you get notified. And everybody, thank you so much for being here. Hit that little like button. Help me share these videos around. Love you all so much. And we will see you in the next video. All right, everybody. Bye-bye.